Hello, Ma'am Shi. I am a Filipino mom living in Finland, and I want to share with you the ultimate guide as soon as you get pregnant in Finland. I live here in Lepabara, Espoo. I was 6 weeks pregnant when I found out. The first thing you should do when you find out you're pregnant is to Google search the closest Nevola to where you live, like this. Because I live here in Espoo, just search for Nevola Espoo. Click on Neovola or maternity clinic in English. And search Municipality Espoo. And you will see the phone number to call for your first maternity appointment. And if you live in Helsinki, just search Nevola Helsinki. And click the ITs and Lasten Neovolat, Maternity and Child Health Clinics in English. And here you will also see the number you can call. Don't worry if you're calling the wrong number. Just explain the situation that you are pregnant and you need a maternity consult. They are kind and helpful here. This will also help you gain more knowledge about maternity here in Finland. So during the call, have your social security number ready, explain why you are calling, then they will ask about your first day of last menstruation, etc. They will book you an appointment at 8 weeks of your pregnancy, then they will give you an instruction on what vitamins you need to take, etc. Then you are okay. So comment if you have any question and corrections. Next video, what happened during my first maternity consult and what vitamins I took during the first trimester. Thank you for watching.